Hello friends, welcome to SQL Server tutorial. In this video, we are going to see how to use the rank function. So, display ranking on sales by ranking function. So that's what we are going to achieve here. So here in this video, we will use rank function over the net sales from our view. So over the net sales means net sales column from our view net sales. So here we named our view as well as column as net sales. So this is the query. We are using the Northwind database. Previously we used row number, right? At this time, instead of row number, we are using the rank function. Select rank over. Here we are applying the rank function on net sales column, which is ordered in descending order. So select rank over net sales or rank over order by net sales descending, and alias name here we are setting it as rank. Then we pick all the column from our view. The view here is net sales. So here it is column and here this is view, right? So here you can see the result of executing the above query. Select rank over order by net sales DESC, and you can see the order here goes in descending order. So high sales is displayed first and it goes to low sales. High sales to low sales. Also you can see here the ranking is applied and first column shows the rank. When net sales holds same value, same rank number will be given. When net sales holds same value, say for example, here the net sales is holding the same value, right? 10540, and here also you can see net sales is holding the same value 15810, 10540. So unlike the row number, here we get same ranking 11, and here we get same ranking for all three rows because their net sales are same. When net sales holds same value, same rank number will be given, 1 for both the row, and this is rank 3. Note, since there are 3 rows highlighted above, we can take this. Next row rank is 6, not 3. So here also you can see, since there are already 2 rows holding the same rank 1 1, here we doesn't, the rank function doesn't give rank as 2, so it gives rank as 3. So this is row number 1, row number 2, 3. So because the sales value is same, all the 3 records holds the same rank value 3. So there are totally 5 records so far, 1 2 3 4 5. So next rank given is 6. Here rank is 6 and here it is 7. You can see how rank is given based on the row detail. So if some rows are already processed, then next row is taken and rank will change based on the previously processed number of rows. So here already 2 rows processed, so we get rank 3. Since the value here is the same, we get a same rank for all three records. In the below query, select queries sorting order and windowing sorting order are different. So here we are talking about two sorting order. One is sorting order given for select query. The second one is the sorting order for ranking function. So this is one sorting order. This one is second sorting order. So below is the query. Select rank over. So here we are using the order by class, order by net sales descending. So we use that order by class for the windowing SQL. So over by class uses this order, and there is one more order by class. So this is used by the query output sorting. So this one is to present the record in a sorted order, and this one is to calculate the rank. So this is the ranking sort, and this one is presenting sort or record presentation sort. So even though there are two orders, ranking will still be applied. Here we are asking to sort it by product name, right? But still ranking will be applied. Even though there are the sorting orders are different. In the below query, select query's sorting order. Select query's starting order is product name, and windowing sorting order is by net sales. So they both are different, but still ranking will be applied. Windowing sorting via over class is to tell how to perform ranking. So that's the purpose of the over by class order by. So if you use order by on over by class, this sorting is used to perform the ranking. And if you use order by class as part of the select query, this will be useful to present the records in a sorted order. So you can see that here in the below screenshot. So since we asked to sort it based on product name, the output shows the result based on the product name, right? So this is the sorting for the output, or we can say output sorting. And here sorting will be performed and ranking will still be applied even though the output sorting is different. Then the sorting is performed on this product name. So there are two sorting coming into picture, right? So we can state the first sorting as, so we can state the first sorting as 1 and second sorting as 2. So what SQL Server will do, it will perform the sorting based on 1, applies the ranking. After applying the ranking, it rearranges the record and shows the result in the second sorting order. So that's what you are seeing here. So here the sorting is performed on ranking. Then here the result is shown using the second sorting, right? Now let's go to the demo and see how it works. So in our previous video we used net sales and row number based query, right? Now So we are already using Northwind, and this is the output of our view net sales. And here you can see we are using the rank function over net sales, and the ranking is performed by arranging the net sales record in descending order. Then it gives the ranking for the net sales, and we call that first column as rank. Since we select star, all these 4 rows will come next to this rank. So select star from net sales, right? And first column is here, rank over net sales. Alright, now we will execute it, and you can see the ranking is applied here. The top sales is given by 2 orders, 10865 and 10981. So net sales of product name is Coty d'Ivoire, and it's a type of beverages. There are 2 order ID which has the same ordered item but on different order numbers. So those were given rank 1. But there is no rank 2 because rank 1 contains 2 rows. So the next rank starts from 3. So since there are 2 rows that is having the same rank number, the next rows that also contains the same net sales, and we got the rank number as 3. So this is 2 rows occupied. So the rank is given here as 3. So totally there are 5 records here. The next rank comes as a 6. So anyhow, even though there is a gap here, we still get our rank. And say for example, seafood, camera on tigers, that got a rank of 62, which made 2500 net sales. Alright, that's all here in this video. Just now you saw the demo. Thank you for watching. Bye.